This morning we're gonna do some lathe work or setups, and the first thing we're gonna do is get the center lines for the tornado blank to make a number of adapters for different diameter holes for dowels. So the first thing is the tool. It's a square, and you put it on the corner, and let's drop a couple of lines here. Now we're going to true all this up on the lathe. At a later time when we get to making the blanks. We're going to make something like this, except for this end of it, the thick end that receives the dowel, is going to be trued up on the face of it. It's also going to be small enough to accept the jaws. Because later on you'll want to turn these around occasionally and return a dowel or return the blank for that matter. So that's what we're doing. So that was easy enough. Now we'll go to the other side. I prefer to use the same corners to draw the line. Not required, because like I said, we're going to true everything up later on. So, easy enough. And this is a neat little tool. You can make your own with plywood on a right angle. I have one over here. Yeah, come on, get out there. It's you can make it. The big thing is a 90-degree and a 45-degree, and it does pretty much the same thing. So you can make your own. I have this from my dad, so it works really well. Okay, I'll mount and do some lathe work.